Sterling. Put on the loudspeaker.
Hi there, how you doing? What it is, I'd like to go, sorry. Hello?
Hello?
A bit of a bad signal there. What it is, I'd like to know about how I can actually lodge an official complaint, please.
The best way for that would be to phone on Monday and speak to one of the owners.
Right, can I actually tell you a story so it actually gets passed on through your chain of command then, please? So you're actually aware of it as a company, as a taxi company?
Sure.
But what it was, I actually got a taxi last night, and it's only came to light today, and I've actually got confidence to phone you up and actually make you aware of what actually happened last night.
No problem.
What it was, I actually got a taxi. He was a rather larger chap, quite a large build. And as I was sitting in the front passenger seat, he had a bit of flatulence.
Right.
And to be honest with you, it made me feel physically sick.
Okay, can I ask what kind of car it was?
Well, I can't remember because obviously I had a few drinks, but I can assure you his anus was quite repulsive.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Was it was a small white one, yeah?
Well, I can honestly tell because obviously, as I said, I had a few drinks, but I do recall his flatulence was particularly out of order. You know, I was sitting next to him. He was quite willing to cock his leg up and just like go in front of me.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Can I ask where you picked up from?
Well, it was within Stirling. I don't actually want to take it any further, but I just want to make your drivers, or if you can make your drivers aware of next sort of like company meeting, that one of our customers was actually quite perturbed by the stench of their anus.
Right, no problem.
And if you couldn't actually make them aware that this isn't acceptable for a paying customer who's actually getting a taxi home after a few nights out with his women, and him cocking his leg and farting in front of him is not acceptable.
I'll speak to my boss on Monday.
Mm-hmm. Can I actually leave my name with you and my number?
Yeah, that's no problem.
Yeah. It's first name's Peter. Surname's File.
File.
Yeah, just repeat that back to me so you've got it right.
It's a file.